Hello everybody, SF Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix Play Store can't download apps or unable to download apps from Play Store 2023. So first of all, here you can see the apps. So if you didn't download the apps from your Play Store, then go to the settings options, your phone settings option, then go to the apps options, and then just go to the all apps options, see all apps. After that, scroll down and find Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store. After that, just force stop this and then click to the storage and cache option, then click to the clear cache options. After that, your problem will be gone and you are able to download apps from your Play Store. So if this process didn't help you, then just check your internet that able to access the Play Store or able to download. So after that, your problem will be solved. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you.